alligator painting it red. B is for bear with blue on his head. C is for cat with a yellow tail. D is for dog with a splashy tail. E is for elephant, painting it green. Painting it green. F is for fox with orange so keen.
Paint, splash, brush and play. Learn your letters a forest way. Colors sliding, ABC. Join the fun and paint with me.
G is for giraffe with purple dots. H is for hippo with pink paint pots. I is for iguana, painting with flair. J is for jaguar, painting the air. K is for koala with silver paint. L is for lion, gold like a saint.
Paint is swirling, letters shine. Every color, every line. Animals cheer as letters appear. ABC fun is finally here.
M is for monkey, swinging through. N is for newt with navy blue. O is for owl with midnight black. P is for pig, painting a track. Q is for quail with a glittery pen. R is for rabbit, he painted again. S is for snake with sparkly green. T is for turtle with a shiny sheen. U is for Uriel, careful and neat. V is for vulture with colorful feet. W is for wolf with brushes 3. X is for x-ray fish painting a tree. Y is for yak with a rainbow trail. Z is for zebra, a paint striped tail.
Paint is swirling, letters shine. Every color, every line. Animals cheer as letters appear. ABC fun is finally here. State the alphabet together. X is the x-ray fish painting a tree. F for fox with orange so keen. Paint is the zebra, a paint striped tail.
Thanks for watching!